Just for a short video, this is the next project I'm working on in the Union Station area. This is going to be the passenger cover, whatever you call it. I'll show you a picture at the beginning of the video so you can see what the real one looks like. I still got to work on the interface between the end here and the passenger waiting room. This is a little higher than it is in the prototype because I've been testing the camera car going underneath it, and it just needed to be a little higher than it is in real life. Also, while we're on this side, I've got the as I move, I've got the REA Express building has all the roof or shed roof along the building is now glued on, and I did, as you can see, a couple of additional platforms and to fit more cars, and the base still needs to be painted, and I'll do that when I get around to doing painting because I like to do it in bulk. But this project here has taken me, I guess about a week to put together. Spent some time doing some test fitting. The legs have been shortened a couple of times, but all in all, it had to be left a little higher just to fit the camera car, which is more important to me. So, but anyway, I got a little bit more to do here, and then when we get to the other side, I had the bridge in here yesterday just to, because I still got to work on this, but I'm only going to bring it up to the edge of the bridge on this side, so it'll be a lot shorter. So, but I got my printer printing out more parts. So, but anyway, that's all for now. And it does have, as I might add, there is a roof that still has to go on top of this in here and about halfway over, so it's about this big, so it covers the platform, and so it'll be here on this platform, and then this one back here, and then the center over the tracks, and I'll go up here just a second. The center over the tracks will be open, so but anyway, you can see that in the prototype photo that I'll put up. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.